Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning all of you and Shubho Vijaya. Hope you all are fine. I'm fine, Devoshmita. Yes, good morning. So, let's start your science class. Okay, Lisa, I will check this. Okay, so let's start the science class. Open your science book at page number 27. Page number 27. And this is your sixth chapter, how our body works. How our body works. This chapter we already started, right? And there was some homework for you, that is about the external organs, their names and their works, right? So hope you all completed it. Okay. Okay, so let's start from the internal organs. So in this part, we learned that our body has two types of organs, right? Our body has two types of organs, and that is external organs and the internal organs. So external organs which we can see, and that is outside of our body, which we can see, and the internal organs are inside of our body, we cannot see them, right? Yes. So about the external organs you already learned it, and the internal organs we already discussed about the brain and heart. Brain and heart. So a brain is inside of our body. Hope you all remember this. Brain is inside of our head, and it helps us to think, to learn, to remember. And you know, by the help of our brain we do all of our work, and it controls all organs of our body. So brain is very important part of our body, and it's situated inside of our head, right? And after this we learned about the heart, and you know that is situated left side of our chest, and it pump blood to all parts of our body. It pumps blood to all parts of our body. Yes, Lisa, I told you these things. So that is about brain and heart, and those things which we already discussed. Now come to the next page, that is page number 28. The point is lungs. The point is lungs. So first of all, do one thing. First of all, keep your hand, do this everyone, keep your hand on your chest. Keep your hand on your chest and take a deep breath. Do this. Keep your hand on your chest and take a deep breath. What do you feel? Yes, so your chest swells. When you breathe in, air comes into your lungs. When you breathe in, air comes into your lungs. And when you breathe out, air goes out from your lungs. So here, when you breathe in, you know we all breathe in by our nose. As you already learned, we take breath, we take smell by our nose, right? Nose is our one of the external organs, and when we take breath, we get oxygen, right? We get oxygen, and when we breathe out, we release the carbon dioxide. Sir, boardটা একটু ইয়েটা বোর্ডটা বলছি, ক্যামেরাটা সবটা ঘুরছে না, ওয়ার্ডটা আছে, একটু সরান বলে দিচ্ছি। So here we have two lungs inside our chest. We have two lungs inside our chest, right? So when we take breath, we we take oxygen, and those oxygens comes into our lungs, comes into our two lungs. So those lungs, we called them air bags also. Air bags is the alternative name of the lungs, alternative name of the lungs. And you know we have two lungs. So how many lungs we have? We have two lungs, and we call them air bags also. So when we breathe in air, that means oxygens comes in, oxygen comes into our lungs, and when we breathe out, we release carbon dioxide, these two gases. Okay, so you have to remember the name of two gases. Here you can see the book. Do you know the lungs take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide during breathing? And the next point you can see the fourth point, that is stomach. That is stomach. Lisa, that means if you have like balloons, you can see the balloons. You can understand that balloon have air in it, right? Like that, so there are some bags which have the air inside of this bag, that called air bag. Like lungs, when we take breath, those airs, those oxygens go to the inside of the lungs, right? Go to the inside of the lungs. So that's why we call them air bags. Okay, very good. Now go to the stomach. So what is stomach? When we eat food, when we take our meal, as you know that we take 3 main meals in a day, right? So when we take it, those foods goes to our stomach, goes into our stomach, and stomach digests those food, stomach digests those food. So I am now erasing about these lungs, and here stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. And stomach digest food. That is the work of the stomach. So when we eat, when we take those meals, those food goes into our stomach, those food goes into our stomach, and stomach digests those food, like those complex substance, it change into the simple substance. Those food which we eat, that is very complex, those substances are very complex, and stomach change into in simple. So So here complex to simple, the substance change into from complex to simple. Okay, so that is the work of the stomach. So here hope you all understand it about the stomach. So when we take food, those food goes to the stomach digests the food from complex to simple. Okay, now see the bones and muscles. Bones and muscles, and our body is made up of bones and muscles. They work together to make us move and run and play. To make us move, run and play. Those bones and muscles are all over our body from head to toe. So those bones and muscles made our skeleton. Those bones helps us to make our skeleton, and muscles also help us to made our body. So those two things, bones and muscles, both work together to make us move, to make us help us to do those works which we do, like playing, like running, like reading, or doing the many more things. So they help us, right? So that is the work of the bones and muscles. And our body needs food and water. Those things you already learned many times, that we all need food. We all living things like human, like animals, and those trees also, those plants also, we all are as living things. We all need food and water, and we all are human. We all need some exercise to keep fit, to keep us fit, and our body needs rest after work also. And these things you already learned, that our body, we needs food to do more things, to do our work, to play, to run, to read, to do our homework. So for those all things we need energy, right? We need energy, and also we need food to grow big and to be strong also, right? So that's why we need food and also water. And you know that we have to take water minimum 8 glass of it in a day, right? So here we need, our body need food and water, and it also needs some exercise to keep us fit. These things you know, and we have to do exercise every day. Those running, jogging, and morning walk, right? So thus, if we do those exercise every day, we can keep ourselves fit. And also our body need rest. As we do the lot of work, our body also need rest, and you know, minimum 8 hours in a day, right? Remember this, minimum 8 hours in a day our body we need rest after work. Okay, so that is all about our body. And you know, all parts of our body work well when we take proper care of them. As you know, we have to, the body parts of our those parts of our body are our best friends, and we have to take care of them in good conditions. We have to keep them in good conditions by maintaining those good food habits, those exercise, those sleeping time, and we can keep ourselves clean and fit also, right? So that's why we have to take care of them, as they can work well. Okay, so you have to read this ESD Tiptia, very good. So like you have to read this entire because I already learned about external organs, and that is very easy. And you have to remember these internal organs about the brain, heart, lungs, stomach, bones and muscles. Okay, and we completed this chapter. But this exercise part, you have to do this at your home and obviously at your copy book. As you know, the page number 29. See, page number 29. That will be your homework. You have to do this. So I'm telling this. First one is tick the correct answers, and here you can see there are two questions with three options, like which is an internal organ. There are also three options, and you all know this which one is because you already learnt. And after second is after we swallow our food, it goes into our, there are also three options, and just now we will learn that after we eat, those food goes into our stomach, right? So those things you all know. And B up is fill in the blanks with the help of the words given below. See the book, there are some blanks, some questions with blanks, and in this green box there are 4 words. So you have to choose the correct one for every question, and you have to fill this. And the C is answer the following questions, and here the first question is name 4 internal organs of our body. You know this, right? So tell me now, name 4 internal organs of our body. Answer me fast. Very good, Lisa, but you have to tell me the 4 name, not 1. And others, Ditipriya, Susan, Amartya. Lisa, you just gave the 2 name of the internal organs. But here in the questions you have to write here the 4 name of internal organs. Very good, Ashmit. I am waiting for others also. Very good. Amartya, you write here only 3. Very good. Now Lisa. Very good, Kaushik. Yes, very good. So here, which you learn here, you can write those 4 names: brain, heart, lungs and stomach. Very good, Ayush Pal. And the next is, what does the stomach do? What does the stomach do? And these things you just learn it, right? That stomach digests the food which we eat. Stomach digests the food which we eat. Right? Very good, Purbayon. Very good, Ashmit. And the third question is, very good, Debopriya. Third is, why do we need to exercise? So you have to tell me this answer because you already learned this on the previous lessons. Why do we need to exercise? We need exercise to keep us fit. Very good, Kaushik. So here are those question answers, and you have to write this obviously at your copy book. And the next is question D. tick the correct answer. So here one valuable questions for you with 3 options, and you have to choose the correct one. Okay. Yes, very good, Patrali, Purbayon. Yes, Purbayon, you have to write these answers in a sentence, right? So, not in the diagram. So, you have to write that the stomach digests the food which we eat, and it change the complex food into simple substance. Okay, you have to write it in a sentence, in a full sentence, not in diagram. Hope you understand it. Very good, Ashmit. Yes, very good, Amartya. So hope you all can do those exercise part as your homework. Okay. So we completed this chapter, how our body parts, and you have to read this the sixth chapter from first to the those sixth chapter very attentively for your exam. Okay. Have you any problem about these internal organs? You can ask me now. Have you any problem? Okay. Okay, very good. So do your homework and read those chapters very attentively. That's all for today, and have a nice day. And bye everyone.